Hello all, welcome to Pragmatic. Today I am going to demonstrate the dental management module in Udo. So first of all install the module. After installation I am going to the settings and the users and the users we can to see here the dental management groups. So there are three groups are there: admin, doctor and receptionist. We can to add here. And next I'm going to the dental management module. So this is the overall view of the dental management, like first of all the dashboard and appointments, patients, prescriptions, reports and configuration. So first of all, I'm going to the configuration part. So here there are medical procedures are there and dental clinic centers, physicians, medicines, insurance, all are there. First of all, the treatment categories. So this is all are the inbuilt treatment categories. Like when installing the module, these categories are automatically fetched. Also, we can to create here new categories, and this is the teeth chart selection. So we can to select the chart type to here. That we can to select the chart type, and next is treatments. So these all are the treatment, like this also the inbuilt treatment when installing the module automatically came. And also we can to create the dental clinics, centers and central buildings, center units and operating rooms into directly into here. So click to new and create that particular things. And next time I'm going to the physician. So this is the physician part. So we can to create the physicians, like the physician name and institution specialty, and also we can to set that particular doctor slots means we can to add the weekday and the starting hour and ending hour for that particular doctor treatment we can to set here. And next is the medical specialties. Medical specialty is nothing but we can to create some of medical specialty of that particular doctors, and occupation also we can to manually create. And next is medicine. So this is the medicine, so we can to create medicine directly to here. And also we can to create the dosage frequency for medicine form tab or something like that. And next is medicine dose units we can also create. And next is insurances, so we can also create the insurance company and that particular insurance policy, insurance policy payment and insurance plans we can do directly create to here. And next I'm going to the patient master. So this is the patient master. So here we can to see we can create patients, like the patient master, like the adding the patient name and the date of birth and the gender we can to add here. And also we can to add the email and the general information anything have we can to add here. And there is the medical questionnaire. This is yes or no questions we can to add like here. And next is medical history, so we can to add any medical history there, so we can to add here. And all prescriptions are created, prescriptions are showing to here that particular patient, and all appointments are showing to here that particular patient. And this is the chart. This is chart is nothing but this is the, so there is no appointment for that particular patient. The if any one appointment to open that particular chart. Okay, then this is the images we can to add the images. And if you have patients any complaints, so that complaints will be added to here. Here we can to add the patient complaints directly into the patient complaints master. Okay, next I'm going to the appointments. So I'm going to create a new appointment, like patient Shimi. And so this is the duration we can to set. I'm going to add the 10 minutes, so we can to see the 4 to 4:10 we can to calculate the duration of that particular appointment. So here we can to add the consultation services and the rooms we can to add, and the dentist also we can to add here. And click that time the appointment will be saved. Then I am going to the patient master. Here the chart will be open. So this is the dental chart, so we can to click, select that particular teeth position, and we can to add that treatment to here. So I'm going to click, this is a treatment we can add it. So there are three types of stages are there. First is planned, and next is in progress, and next is complete. So when complete, then click to close this button. That time the operation will be that will be saved in the operation tab. Okay, the invoice also been created. Then I'm going to the prescriptions, so we can to create prescription directly to here, like select the patient name and the appointment id, so we can to select that particular appointment, and the prescription date and prescription doctor we can to select, and also we can to add the medicine directly to here. Then there is a option like create invoice, we can to invoice to directly here. This is the prescription functionality. And next I'm going to the reports. So these all are the reports like income by doctor, income by procedure, and patient by doctor, patient by procedure, and income by insurance company. So just click by income by doctor. So here we can to add the start date and end date. So I'm just adding start date and end date. Then we are click to that print. So the report will be printed like this type: income by doctor, the doctor's name and the number of patient is consulted, and the total amount will be generated for that particular doctor, we can to see here. Same like that, all report functionality will be working. So next I'm going to insurance, income by insurance company we can to select. So in this report we can select start date and end date, and also we can to select that particular insurance company. Then click to print report. That time the report will be generated to here for that particular insurance company, how many patients are used and how many amount will be generated, so we can to see here. And next is I'm going to the dashboard part. So this is the dashboard part. So here we can to see this is a parameters, like we can to click today. That time the today details only will be showing, and I'm going to select the last 65 days, so we can to see the all last 65 days all details are showing to here, like appointments and the patients. Then any pending complaints here to showing to here, and how many prescriptions are there we can to showing here, and the revenue also we can to see here. And this is the service based appointment start, and this is the doctor based appointment start, and this is the doctor based revenue chart, so we can to see here. So this is the dashboard view. And next I'm going to the website appointment. So here, so patient can directly create appointments through the website portal. So first of all, this is the appointments menu. Here we can to see there are two types of button are there: create appointments and existing appointments. So I'm going to click create appointments. That time the available doctors are showing to here. So this is our doctor currently available. So when I click that particular doctor, here that particular doctor slots are available to here. So the before times are disabled, so upcoming before times are disabled, the upcoming times are will be showing. So I'm going to click a slot. Then they have two types of patient type, like new patient or existing patient. So I'm going to click a new patient. So here, first of all, the patient name, so I'm just enter Rafi and enter the email. And here start time and end time will automatically came, and the physician also automatically came. And next is add the consultation service and submit appointment. So the appointment will be created. So this appointment will be created in directly in the backend also. I am showing that. So here we can to see the appointment is created, and also the patient master, the Rafi will be patient will be created. Then next I'm going to the website. So they have options to existing appointments, so patient can see their existing appointment. So just entering that particular email, then submit that particular So yeah, this time that particular appointments will be showing to here, that particular patient. So we can to reschedule that particular appointment, and we can to cancel that appointment. We can to create the reschedule and cancel in the direct in the existing appointment. Then also we can to create appointments in the existing patient also. So just entering the email, then click to the search button. That time that patient name will be automatically came, and we can to select the consultation services and submit appointment. So the appointment is created for the existing patients. So this is the overall view of dental management module. Thank you.